Hello, and thanks for subscribing to our channel. If you haven't been here before, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons, then be sure to click on the notification bell to get updates on our new videos. In our video today, Vibrate Your Way to Better Health, Part 4, What Do the Experts Say? We consider both sides of the controversial conspiracy theory regarding the cure for cancer, but we're going to focus on what the experts say. Billions have been spent on cancer research over many decades, but we still haven't found a cure for this disease. Experts say this could be for one of two reasons, either because there really isn't a cure or because it just needs more funding. What do you think? Do you think funding may be suppressed for research on the cure for cancer? Could there really be a big pharma conspiracy? Is it possible that pharmaceutical companies are hiding the cure for cancer to make money off cancer drugs? Or do you think the experts are right? We just need to spend more money on drug research because we still haven't found the cure for cancer. One survey suggests that over a quarter of American citizens believe the conspiracy theory to be true, while an additional 1 in 7 believe it might be true. Cancer is a name for over 200 different diseases. Each type varies considerably in its cause, the way it grows, and how it spreads, which makes finding just one cure nearly impossible. However, thanks to the advancements in medical technology that have been made over the course of decades, chances of surviving cancer are at an all-time high. We find posted on the Worldwide Cancer Research website, half of those diagnosed with cancer in 2019 will survive 10 years or more. It's an astonishing achievement, and only made possible by dedicated research from scientists committed to this cause. But, when we put that into perspective, we realize that half of the people we know right now that have been diagnosed with cancer will not survive for 10 years or more. Do you think those numbers could be changed by utilizing sound and electromagnetic frequencies to boost the regimen that your doctor gives you? Do you think it would hurt to try if it was used in conjunction with your doctor's orders? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't yet, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell for updates. So, what else do most experts say? Most experts say that aside from what seems to be a scientific impossibility of someone having found the cure for cancer, it wouldn't make much sense monetarily to hide such a discovery. Even if an amazing cure had been uncovered, it would still take decades to test its effectiveness for every type and stage of cancer, and that can be a lengthy and expensive process. So, what would be the point in keeping something so potentially life-changing hidden, and could it be kept hidden? Dr. Robert Grimes studies the mathematical probability of medical conspiracies. Using his formula that considers what could happen when so many different people are involved, he found that there would still be over 714,000 other employees who would know something was happening. He goes on to show that it would only take around 3.17 years before someone told everything they knew to either law enforcement or the media. When you stop to consider the magnitude of the players involved in this operation, it is baffling. Consider just how many people take part in the research, development, and manufacturing of medical drugs. How could so many people keep this quiet without somebody spreading the news of it? Big pharmaceutical companies spend billions developing new drugs, which means that if they happened upon the cure for cancer or any other illness, one would think they'd want to monetize their success. Now the questions become, what if the cure for cancer turned out to be a relatively inexpensive treatment, and that once known, everyone would easily have access to it, and, what if it were something as simple as sound and electromagnetic frequencies? We also must ask, if they can target and kill invasive living organisms using the organism's own frequency, what else could they cure with this kind of technology? Belief in medical conspiracies is not uncommon because the companies involved are companies who exist to make money for their shareholders. But these companies are made up of people. It doesn't matter if someone is rich, famous, or if they sit on the board of a big corporation, cancer doesn't care, it affects everybody. Every single person knows somebody touched by this devastating disease. So, would it make sense that many of those wealthy and well-known corporate moguls would be willing to jeopardize their lives and the lives of their family and friends by obscuring the cure for cancer from the public? In an article dated November 2013, from the National Library of Medicine, we read, in summary, Our clinical results provide strong evidence that the intrabuccal administration of RF EMF amplitude modulated at tumor-specific frequencies is safe and well-tolerated and may lead to long-lasting therapeutic responses in patients with advanced cancer. Our in vitro experiments demonstrate that cancer cell proliferation can be targeted using tumor-specific modulation frequencies, which were identified in patients diagnosed with cancer. Tumor-specific modulation frequencies block the growth of cancer cells, modify gene expression, and disrupt the mitotic spindle. Studies are underway to dissect the biophysical mechanism leading cancer cells to respond to specific modulation frequencies identified in patients with a corresponding diagnosis of cancer but not to randomly selected or tumor-specific frequencies identified in other tumor types. Elucidation of this mechanism of action is likely to unveil novel pathways and targets. I'm no expert, and I'm not a doctor or scientist, but I'm pretty sure what they're saying is that they found great success using RF EMF technology. And this brings us back to the questions: has the cure for cancer been discovered, or is there really a big pharma cover-up taking place? Do you agree with what the experts say, or do you think there's a lot more to the story? Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you feel like you learned something from this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be first to know when part 5 of our series, Vibrate Your Way to Better Health, comes out. And as always, thanks for watching.